Mobilized, could order the vehicle forfeited, or could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. In understanding that, do you still wish to plead guilty?
No contest.
No, this is a guilty plea.
It's guilty plea. Oh, yes, OWVI, yes. I'm sorry.
Are you pleading guilty?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. So understanding that, do you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
You signed an advice of rights form or had one caused to be signed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any question about those rights?
Your Honor.
You understand that they'll show you a copy of that. Your trial rights are contained in paragraph 5. You understand that you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights that are contained on that form.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody threatened you or coerced you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
And also because you believe that you're indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
October 29, 2025, at the location of Lower Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, were you operating a motor vehicle?
I was.
Prior to operating that motor vehicle, did you consume intoxicating liquor?
I had put a couple of shots of vodka into a bottle of Verner's, and I drank part of that bottle of Verner's about an hour and a half prior to driving. And I was pulled over for an out tailgate on Lower Road.
All right, so you got pulled over. Were you ultimately arrested?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you taken to the hospital for a blood draw?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And what was the result of that blood draw?
I believe it was a 0.149 or 1.
Yes, 0.149. Do you have any reason to dispute those blood test results?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Taking everything into consideration on that date and at that time, do you believe that your ability to operate that motor vehicle was visibly impaired due to your consumption of alcohol?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Sir, if between the time I accept your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Defendant is referred to Von Swartz for an alcohol screening and assessment and the victim's impact panel. Sentencing in this matter will be April 8th, 2026, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates, bond will continue. Thank you.
Contact information for referral to what the judge just said. Von Schwartz and victim impact.
Okay, now how do I get a hold of it?
Read this.
Okay.
I'm still in.
I have to complete this before April 8th. Okay.
Court calls the case People versus Jacob Dorstian.
On behalf of
Hello, your name?
John Franklin.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Franklin, hands out your pockets. Ms. Franklin has changed her phone number since the last time we were here, so we were not able to connect prior to today's date. I have the new number requesting adjournment.
April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Judge. Call me.
Court calls the case of the People versus Janae Grayson.
Conrad Siller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Ron Brown on behalf of Ms. Grayson, Your Honor.
Yes, I'm here.
All right. There's what? I have before me a plea form that indicates that the defendant is pleading guilty to the charge of allowing an eligible person to operate a motor vehicle under section 0.326. The 90-day offense. Upon our successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ma'am, please raise your right hand. Where is she? Oh, there she is. I got you. I just lost you on my screen here, ma'am. All right. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right. State your name again for the record, please.
Janae Grayson.
All right, you can put your hand down. It says court's understanding you're gonna plead guilty to the charge of allowing an ineligible driver to operate a motor vehicle. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a $100 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
And understanding that, you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, sir.
You signed an advice of rights form or had one caused to be signed on your behalf?
Yes, I did.
Any question about those rights?
No, sir.
You understand that you're giving up all the rights on that form, including the rights contained under paragraph 5.
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, sir.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes, sir.
of your own free will
Yes, sir.
and because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes, sir.
January 18, 2026, it's the location of Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. Did you have custody or control of a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did you allow someone to operate that motor vehicle who was otherwise ineligible? And that might be even yourself.
Yes, sir.
Counsel, have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Ma'am, anything you or your attorney want to say before I impose sentence?
No, sir.
Fines and costs of $250. I'll suspend 90 days in jail. When can you get that paid?
Is it a payment plan I can get on that? Because I'm kind of going through a homeless situation and I don't have the funds like that just to pay the whole $250.
90
Okay.
days, Your Honor.
How much time are you gonna need?
I can do it in 90 days if it's a payment plan
Okay. How
or
much do you want
something
to
like
pay?
that, because I don't
How
want
much
to
do you
say
wanna-
I'm not, because I'm going through homelessness, so I can't just say I
Right,
don't
I
have the
got
money
you.
and not
I
have.
heard you, ma'am. I heard you. So why don't we do this? We'll see where we are. I'll give you till June 30th to get it paid.
Okay, yes, sir.
Thank you.
Do I call up there and make arrangements for the payment plan, or how do I do it?
Okay, you have till June 30th to pay it off. Just
Okay.
if you got something 1 month, you can pay it and then pay it. You just have to get everything paid by that date. Just don't wait
Okay.
till the last minute.
Yes, sir. I understand now.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Derek Moore.
Ron brought a pring on behalf of Mr. Moore, who's making his way.
Your name, sir?
Derek and Wayne Moore.
Thank you. Take your hand out of your pocket, please.
I need them. Yeah.
You need that. Oh, you good?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Ron brought a pring on behalf of Mr. Moore.
What are we doing?
I'm requesting an adjournment so I can have further discussions with him.
Adjourn the matter to April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr. Moore.
Thank you. What are we doing? I adjourned the case so you and I can talk. Like we agreed. Thank you, Mr. Moore.
Court calls the case, People versus Jashana Andrews.
Conrad Silver, Pittsfield Township.
What is that? Torso Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Miss Andrews, who I'm hoping is on Zoom.
Hello.
There she is.
Hello.
Okay, turn on your
Hi.
camera if you have one.
Yeah.
Turn your camera on and state your name.
Can y'all see me?
Yep, we see you. What's your name?
Dejanay Andrews.
I told Mr. Feaster that's how it's
You
pronounced.
did. Yeah, I messed that up totally.
But he
It's-
said, no, do it your
No.
own way. Yeah,
No,
okay, I messed up. I'm sorry.
it's okay. It's okay.
And I'll probably
because
do it again.
it's because it's French, so it's Dejanay.
Okay,
Oh.
do that.
No habla francés. I don't speak French. I know that was a mixture. I don't speak.
Thank you, Judge. I spoken
You say
to,
Cedric Simpson.
I love it.
You like that?
Oh,
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now.
all right.
Okay,
Hey,
what are
look,
we
you the
doing?
judge. You could do whatever.
I like the way you think.
Judge Simpson. I've spoken to Ms. Andrews. She indicates that she is working on getting her license together. She did have a job interview today. She's going to get her paid. She needs a little bit more time. We can go out a little bit.
Before she can, how close is she? Oh, it's expired. I don't see anything that prevents her from doing it.
Oh,
It's just that it just looks like your license is expired.
so it looks like he said you can go to Secretary of State and see about getting it reinstated. So you should
I
go
can?
down and
Well, I have your status as just expired. And let's see. You pled to a 4-point violation in January. But it doesn't look like that has done anything in terms of a suspension or anything.
So I can go to the
So
Secretary of State.
you should go check.
Well, I think you can. That's what I'm seeing. Okay,
Okay.
they might tell you something different, but what I'm seeing is I don't see anything that should stop you getting your license,
Okay.
except
So
that you're French. But no, go ahead. What?
Okay, so I'll be able to go fix it.
That will happen. So how soon can you get down there?
I'll be able to get it down there as soon as possible because I thankfully to everybody in there, I did get the job today.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So I
Fantastic.
will be able to pay off the tickets and everything and go up there and be able to get my license. But the only thing was
I don't know what ticket she's talking about
I don't
paying
know.
off. Are you talking about the ticket out of Livonia you got to pay off?
yeah, that ticket.
Okay, it's
Yes.
the only thing that's on here.
Okay.
That's it.
I
Okay.
thought I had
So-
another ticket from y'all as well, though.
Well, stop confessing.
No.
Listen.
Oh,
All right. You probably do for the driving while license suspended.
okay. Well,
You
if
should
y'all
go
don't see
check.
nothing, I don't see nothing. If y'all don't see nothing, I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing.
Go to the Secretary of State
But
and
they
check.
don't deal with the
I will. I will.
This is exactly what. It all gets confusing and whatever. All right. So, young lady, how much time is it going to take you to get this all done?
I should be able to. Well, I start work next week, so I should be able to within this month, before the end of this month.
I didn't think that's where she was headed with that, but that's okay. So I'm gonna adjourn this to April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates, for an additional time for me to mispronounce your name. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good one.
Yeah,
you, Judge.
have a nice day. Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Samuel Carson.
Ron Brown, on behalf of Samuel Carson.
Conrad Silver on behalf of the City Council.
He was on Zoom.
I think here he is. Hello, Mr. Carson, can you state your name, please?
Sam Carson.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm requesting an adjournment so that he can get a license. But he needs about 3 months.
Excuse me?
Sorry, Judge, I don't agree with what he's saying.
Oh, okay. That's what my
Okay, what do
assistant
you-
told me.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So because I lost my license, I'm planning on moving to Texas and I'm gonna go to school down there. So I wanted to ask for permission to relocate to El Paso. I've already been accepted to El Paso Community College. And I'll have my rent paid for once I'm down there, so it'll be much easier for me to save money to pay.
Okay, when were you trying to get down there?
This month, I've already started applying for places and I've been approved at the school.
All right. let me do this then. You need to get information to your attorney about your acceptance to school. Okay?
Okay.
And so that we can try to, so that I can figure out, I mean, I don't have any reason to doubt what you're saying, but I need some proof of that, okay?
Okay.
So you need to get that to them, and then we have to figure out what to do with this case. Okay?
Hmm.
So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna adjourn this just out 2 weeks to March 18th, 2026 at 9. And then make sure to get that information. We'll try to figure out the Texas thing and then figure out what we're gonna do with the case, okay?
Okay. Cool. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Yep,
Thank you, Aaron.
thank you. Courthouse case people versus Malcolm Hanks.
Conrad Silva on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Ready, Judge? Torshio Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of, not sure if I'm with, Mr. Malcolm Hanks. All right, I did leave a message for Mr. Hanks, did not receive a call back. For the record, I will request an adjournment, but I do not know what Mr. Hanks is.
You know what?
I do not know what Mr. Hanks is.
Bench warrant will issue in both cases, bond 5,000, give a 10% privilege. Will issue immediately.